Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So if you are just meeting me or finding this channel for the first time, go ahead and check out my many videos. I'm sure you're going to find something that you are going to love. All right, guys, so let me tell you about these adorable crafts that we are going to make from this awesome book. Today's book is called The Adventures of Bella Noelle, Bella Goes to College by Bella Noelle and Ronda Davis. Illustrated by Jessica McLaughlin. This is a very, very, very adorable book. I will say that first off, okay? And I just love how it introduces kids to HBCUs and tells them what they are and gives them a general feeling about, the feeling you get when you attend a HBCU. Now, I graduated from an HBCU. Shout out to the illustrious HBCU, North Carolina A&T. What? Aggie Pride, Aggie Pride. So yeah, as a mom, I loved reading this book to my children because I'm proud to say I am an HBCU grad. This book is for anyone who graduated from HBCU who wants to share their experiences with their children or people that just really want to share HBCUs with kids. So y'all stay tuned because I'm going to give you guys a rundown about this book after we create these very cool crafts, and I will tell you why you need to add this book to your child's library today, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and get into these actually 4 crafts. They started with 3 and I just threw a bonus in there, so we got 4 crafts to get into. So let's go ahead and do like I always do, and let's get crafty. I thought to myself, what better way to rep your college than to make a wreath? Something real quick, simple, and easy for you guys, all right? So personalize this craft to whatever college you rep, and just find out the colors and find out the mascot, and you are on your way. So we're gonna do one for A&T, of course, because I'm gonna be true to who I am. But yeah, my kids they wanted to paint, but you don't have to paint the plate necessarily. You can just do it on a white plate. Now what I'm showing you guys here is how to quickly make some strips without having to cut them individually. So y'all saw I accordion folded this, right? And you see I'm just cutting off the seams. Once I've cut off the seams, look, all of these different strips in my hands. So now I'm going to cut them again, but I want to make sure, so you got to test it to make sure that you see how big you want your loops to be. So I kind of folded it in half and tested it, and I was like, all right, I want it to be this size, like that. So once you make your strips, all you're gonna do is show your child how to assemble them by putting the glue on one end, folding it till it touches the glue, and apply a little pressure. And that's all I told her. And here we are talking, making these paper loops anyway together. And our plate's dry, so now we can finish doing the rest of this. Now again, you do not need to paint the plate. Like I said, you can just start with a white plate, make the loops, and glue them on there. But we just thought this would bring more depth to our wreath, so we decided to do that. So I'm gonna let y'all just finish watching how we place the loops on there, but all you're gonna do is put some glue stick and apply the loops. So now comes the time that we are going to put on our mascot, the Aggie dog. So I'm just going to make the dog the same way I showed y'all for Valentine's Day. If you did not see that reel, that I posted. It's on my Instagram. My Instagram is linked below, and it is actually is really on the screen right now. So go ahead and check me out. Follow me while you're looking over there. I mean, I could use followers too. But yeah, follow me because I post some pretty cool things on my Instagram that I don't post on YouTube. So you might want to check that out. So yeah, so going off of that, this is exactly how we made the dog, just different colors. And that's the Aggie dog. We're going to go ahead and add an Aggie pride. And then we're going to stick that there with some glue stick. And then I decided to add a little bit of the dots, the freckles, what you call it, whiskers? Sorry, y'all. Whiskers. And then my daughter decided she wanted to add these little gold jewels, and I was like, girl, why not? You know, blue and gold all day. So all you need to do when you're done is stick some masking tape on the back of this and put it on your door so your kids know what college you rep. And I mean, you can do this for any college, like I said. Oh, so I found out that the college represented in the book is actually Bennett College, and that's the all-girls college that is right next to A&T. So I'm showing you guys right now on the screen how to make one if you attend or you love that college. Also, fun fact, I almost went to FAMU, so I actually did another one repping FAMU. So here's FAMU's colors, there's their mascot. So guys, like I said, you can customize this to any college you want. So just get the colors, get the mascot, and go to town, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next craft. So in the book, Bella is attending a graduation and she's already seeing herself as a graduate. So I thought, why not make a craft where we can have her graduate? Now, your child could also substitute their face for this. They can make up a person, but I would rather them substitute their face for this as well. So this could be Bella or this could be my daughter, but we are going to give this character some curls. So we're going to make those loops that we did in the last craft. We just wanted a different way to style her hair. I've shown you guys plenty of times on this channel where we are creating characters. We've made hair out of cotton balls. We've made hair out of yarn. So this is just another way that you guys can make hair if you choose to do it this way. But of course, by all means, you guys can make your hair however you want to make it. And before y'all come for me, yes, I know it's giving big worm from Friday. I know. You ain't gotta say nothing, okay? Okay. Make the cap, you're gonna put a rectangle, which is already on the plate, and then I'm cutting out the diamond right now, and then we're putting it on there, and then finish with the string and a bead. My daughter told me to draw the nose, so I'm drawing the nose for her, and I went ahead and added some eyelashes too, and then of course my daughter's gonna finish with the mouth. And that is it. Very simple craft where kids can see themselves as a graduate. So this is a really fun one to do. Something simple, something easy and creative. So can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Don't forget to take pictures and tag me when y'all do this craft, okay? The book, Bella is taking her first plane ride to her mom's HBCU. So we're going to create that airplane right here by painting a piece of cardboard and two pieces of cardboard, sorry, and a paper towel roll. And we're gonna make it this off-white color. So my kids painted it, and you're gonna look at how me and Kimberly are assembling it right now. Now, what we're doing is we're slicing, I'm sawing with the scissors, be careful with that. Because you know paper towel roll is very thin, so it cuts right through it. But I'm doing that so we can put the wings inside, and you guys can see the rest. And of course, y'all can see here, all we did was add beads, but you guys could add more. Y'all could add black circles for the windows. You guys be creative on this, but this is basically the outline of what you're gonna do to create a plane using some cardboard and a paper towel roll. Super simple, super easy, and super fun. My kids really like this one. And because you are a good audience member and you are watching till the end, I'm going to give you a bonus craft real quick. So something you can do is this very simple craft where you just need 2 pieces of construction paper, cut a square, cut a circle like I'm doing. Then you're going to take the other sheet and you're going to cut it in half, make it like a strip. And then I'm using a stapler to staple it. Then I'm going to hot glue this down to the square. I'm pretty much done, y'all. And then when I flip it, I'm going to put the circle in the pipe cleaner. Easy. And then I could see this being done in a classroom that's like a pre-K or a kindergarten classroom or a second grade, who knows, but teachers could do this to the kids when they are going to move on to the next grade. I could see this being a really cool craft for that. So y'all make sure y'all tag people or share this video to some educators, because this would be a really cute craft to do. So in this book, Bella is nervous about going to her first college reunion, and she's just not quite sure what to expect. So she hadn't even started kindergarten yet, and how could she possibly start thinking about college, right? So I love how this book, shows her mom talking on the phone, and then Bella overhearing her mom using words like roommate, the calf, soror, to say the least. And so this book is going to be a journey of how we get to see Bella in college and how she embarks on her new college adventure. This book is for every little girl or boy who dreams of someday attending an HBCU college. Also, guys, do y'all remember Bella? Does this face look familiar? That's because it is, okay? Yeah, we did Bella's first book a while ago. It was called Bella's Big Wish. Y'all can click the card up top to see that video, or wait until the end of this video and go down that description box and click the link. Now, please make sure y'all see that video along with this one, because that video has a lot of cool, unique crafts as well. So very creative stuff. So y'all definitely want to check that out. Now, before we go, I want to tell y'all, along with this book, Bella has a companion coloring book for both Bella's Big Wish, her first book, and Bella Goes to College. They also have a Black History box available that contains 2 storybooks, both of her books, and a coloring book, and Bella's Black History Moments, which is audio and Black History cards as well. Now, guys, if you're looking at this video after Black History Month, don't worry, Black History is every day, so you're not ever too late to go ahead and grab this Black History box, because I know you guys are just going to love it. Everything is linked in the description box, so make sure y'all follow Bella on her journey. I got all her social medias linked down there below as well, and you guys are going to love these awesome products. I am so happy to introduce you guys to this awesome brand, and we just love these books. Okay, so thank you so much, little Miss Bella, for allowing us to create with your second book today. I want to thank you guys, the viewers, for making it all the way to the end of this video. Yes, you're the real MVP in my eyes. Be sure to comment below which craft is your favorite so I can bring you more like that. And don't forget to drop down in the description box and grab your copy of the book. And like I said earlier, follow our author on all of her social medias, okay? Keep up with little Miss Bella. If you guys found this video valuable, please make sure you hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button to the channel so that way you can stay a part of my creative army. And last but not least, when your child creates any one of my crafts, I would appreciate if you guys took a picture and tagged me on Instagram so I could see it and shout them out on a job well done, okay? All right, guys, so don't leave just yet, because I still got hundreds, and I mean hundreds, 200 more videos for you guys to look at on this channel. So definitely click one of these videos right here to keep the party going, and I will see you in that next video. Bye, guys.